We just finalized the Pura ambassador process as part of Man Games and Girl Games, and we are stoked for this. So we've had Pura devices as prizes for several editions of Man Games and Girl Games at this point. So the fact that we can continue to spread the love is fantastic. Now, Pura sent me this device. It is my third Pura device. I purchased the other two, which are in my kids' playroom and my bedroom at home. This one might stay here at my office, or it may end up in the kitchen. Either way, I'll likely be getting a fourth device. So let's do a little unboxing. First, the packaging. I like to notice packaging because it's the first tangible experience that you get with a brand with these types of products. The last 4 iterations of Man Games and Girl Games, I featured swag boxes of some sort, and I'm a sucker for boxes. So Pura doesn't disappoint here. This is completely subjective, but I personally dig the color and the setup of this box. Now, before we get too far into this, smell good air fresheners have kind of been a thorn in our side at our house. Finding one that fits and finding the delivery method of the scent that you like with the plugins, all of that, I don't care a lot, and most guys probably don't care a lot, but I can promise you that your wives care. All right, so let's see what's inside, shall we? Inside the box, you have the device itself, and then you get 2 different fragrances. I wanted to try 2 new scents, so I got the New York Sicilian Tangerine and the Birchwood Pine, but look at that presentation. Look how clean that is. Everything is white except for the little accent on the device itself with Pura and the scent colors, which really makes it pop. It's a really clean presentation. Big fan. Well done. So you can pop the cap off of this device. It's held with magnets, which kind of give you that sensation of it clicking into place. I like it. I think it's personally kind of fun just to play around with. But when you open this up, inside are the instructions and the safety information that helps you understand exactly how to set it up with your phone, your smartphone. It's remarkably simple. Given all of the technology that's crammed into this, I've connected a few of these to my phone already, as I mentioned. But for all of the technology that's packed into this tiny little device, it's remarkably simple. You can control the fragrances that are dispensed. You can control the strength of those fragrances. You can control the time of when those are actually dispensed. You can control the color of the light that is on this device. If you want a light on, say it's a night light or something for your kids, you can control what colors those are. So it's super cool how much technology is packed into this. The other thing that I think Pura has done in a genius way is the scent containers themselves. So we've got a few scents here as well that I ordered. You've got your own Pura scents, the ones that are kind of the Pura brand, as well as you've got some co-branded scents. This one is Kenneth Cole that you have going on here. But in the app, it'll tell you if you're running low on the fragrance. And on the back of these fragrance boxes is a nifty little QR code. So if you find a fragrance that you really like, or multiple fragrances that you really like, reordering them is remarkably simple. They have a subscription as well if you just want those fragrances sent to you periodically. That's up to you. That's the unboxing. I'll make another video that shows you how to connect your smartphone to the device itself. You can program the device and the whole app experience. But if you want to check one of these out, make sure you check out and click the link in the description. Use the discount code ERIC15 to save yourself some money. We do make a little commission off of everyone that you buy through that link. But you can follow for part 2 and other sweet companies that we get to work with as part of Man Games and Girl Games.